Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to break down the best 4 ways to automate getting more Google reviews. And in case you don't know why they're so important, I'll give you 3 reasons. One, over 90% of people go to Google to find a local business, and over 80% of those people are going to pick a business like yours based on their reviews alone. The next is that if you're looking for a business and you put in the keyword best in front of it, so in this case, I'm looking for the best plumber in Los Angeles, you can see the top ranked ones have hundreds of reviews. So if you want to rank for the best, you need to have lots of reviews. And the third reason is that when I type in pizza, because I'm always looking for pizza, you can see why these businesses ranked at the top of the search results. And it's because a lot of their reviews mention pizza. So here you can see this little blue icon is telling you that they're ranking because of a review that used their keywords. And so reviews are extremely important, not just for attracting more customers, but also showing up in the search results in the first place. So let's talk about the best 4 ways to automate the review requesting process with your customers, because there's no easier way to get constant reviews every single day than to figure out the way to automate it inside your business so that you don't even need to think about it. And so the best way is going to depend on the type of business that you are trying to market. So if you're not sure, then let us know by putting the type of business that you're trying to market in the comments below, and we will email or we'll message you and tell you which way we think is best and what we see working best for similar businesses. And how do we know this? Well, we have Google Business Profile Optimization software that's used by thousands of businesses, and we see tons of data and talk to our clients a lot. And so if you're not sure, let us know, and we're happy to give you some help in the comments. So the first way that I'm going to talk about are these NFC review cards. And I'm sure you've seen these before because they've blown up a lot recently, but these are virtually free. You can order them from a bunch of different places online. I'm on AliExpress right now, and you can see that you can get a pack of them for like $1. And so what these are little cards that or stands that you put somewhere along your business, and all that someone needs to do is tap their phone against it, and then it's going to bring up a review request link on their phone. So all they need to do is tap their phone and then hit the 5 stars, and you've gotten that review. And so these are really helpful if you can just place them around your business and people can see them and engage. So for example, this one here says review us on Google, so the person knows exactly what they're being asked to do when they see it. And these can be very effective. The one thing that you need to know, though, is that you need to program these to either go to your Google review link or to a link that can send people in different directions based on how happy they were, or help them write 5-star reviews. Because as you saw in that pizza example, the actual comment in the reviews are incredibly helpful. And so you might want to use a tool like ours that can actually help your customers write the best review based on their experience. Okay, the next thing that you can do to automate the process of asking your customers for reviews is use a tool like Zapier to automatically send a message whenever an action is completed. And Zapier integrates with about 6,000 different softwares, including ours. So no matter what point of sale system you use, appoint booking tool, calendar tool, job management tool you use, it might already integrate with Zapier, in which case you can easily just connect this up with a review management system like ours or any others, so that it sends the email from that system to ours or any system that you want to automatically ask for a review at the right time. And let's say that you don't use any formal system, or you can't possibly integrate that system into Zapier, then I've got some great news for you. It's as easy as opening up a free Google Sheet, pasting your customer's email address in it, and you can do this every day or every week, but the sooner that you do it after they buy, the better. And then you can make the next step to send that person an email that asks them for a review. And so if you were to look at this, basically, you would set up the action that says whenever there is a new or updated spreadsheet row. So basically, you take their name and their email and put it in there, or just their email if that's all you have, or if you have their cell phone, you can do that. And then here for the Gmail, what you would do is say to send email. And then over here, you would set it to, and then you would select the field from the Google Sheet, which is that customer's email. And then you can put in whatever message you want. So here you can say, thank you so much for letting us help you. We would really appreciate if you took the time to leave us a review. And then if you don't want to spend any money at all, then just put in your Google review link, which you can find on your Google business profile. And I'll show you where you can find that right here by bringing up ours. So here, if you go to your Google profile and search and you say ask for a review, Google will give you a link that you can send people to get more reviews, or you can use a link like ours. Okay, the next thing that you can do to automate reviews, the fourth option, is to turn that link that Google gives you or that we give you into a QR code. And these are especially helpful if you are right in front of your customers and they're in a position to scan with their phone. So let's say you're a dental practice or you're a contractor. What you do is print out this QR code and have it by you. And it's pretty similar to the NFC option. But instead, what you would do is print this out. And then let's say you're a contractor, you finish your job. What you'll do is say, hey, are you happy with this? They say yes. You say, great. Do you mind scanning this QR code, which you already have printed out on a nice piece of paper in your clipboard? And say, can you please scan this QR code and leave us some feedback? And it's going to be very hard for them to say no and not do it. And you really want to convince them to do it right there, because if you wait until later, you're probably not going to get it. And so although this is not an automated way, you will add this, or if you add this to your current process, it just becomes automated as part of your day-to-day operation. So you're not even thinking about it. You complete a job, you ask them for a review, you send them the invoice, right? You just bake it into your process. Or if you're a medical practice, as they're paying, you can say, hey, do you mind scanning this review and just leaving us some feedback? And it's that easy. All you need to do is find ways to get the review request process built into your existing business so that it's no longer a second thought. It's just baked into what it is that you're doing. And if you want to make QR codes, there's a free tool called qrcode-monkey.com. And you can do things like set your colors and really customize this to your brand. And you can also add your logo to it. So there's a lot of really cool things you can do with QR codes now that you couldn't do before. So definitely check these out. And if you found this helpful, please, please, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel so that I know to keep making videos like this so I can keep giving more value to you. And if you didn't like it, let me know in the comments why, and I'll be happy to chat with you. Thanks so much.